This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug. Nakasisiguro, gamot ay laging bago.
Marami na kaming lugar na napuntahan, mga tao na kapanayan, at mga buhay na nasaksihan.
Sa 5 taon ng Generation RX, iisa lamang ang aming naging layunin. At yan ay mapalalim ang inyong kaalaman ukol sa mga isyong pangkalusugan at iba't ibang larangan lilinang sa inyong pang-araw-araw na kabuhayan.
From healthcare to beauty care, lahat po yan ay mapapanood nyo sa Generation RX. At meron din mga topic na swak sa mga healthy cooking na siguradong patok sa mga mommies din po.
Madalas ay pinapasyal namin ang aming manonood sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas.
Pero alam natin that change is inevitable. Kami po ay kumawa na sarili po naming marka bilang nag-iisang health and travel show sa bansa.
Magtulong-tulong ang buong staff ng Generation RX to make it worth your time to watch the show every Saturday morning.
Tuwing Sabado natin silang pinapanood bilang mga hosts ng Generation RX. Binabahagi ang kanilang mga kuro-kuro tungkol sa mga isyong pangkalusugan.
Ito ay magiging very informative na program para ibahagi yung mga facts at saka yung mga tamang mga bagay sa mga nanonood. Habang nagsushoot, somehow you learn and you become more flexible and you're able to talk better. What they can expect is we will still try to give the correct and the informative things about health. And this is something that we want. Dahil kasi ito ay parang advocacy na rin natin.
The most memorable experience is when nagpunta kami sa Boracay. First, because it was my second shooting time or shooting episode. And then, it was the hardest thing that I've ever done yata. Ay mag-incorporate tayo sa Generation RX ng wellness and longevity na hindi masyadong magastos yung mga sasuggest natin mga treatments or procedures or recommendations sa ating mga viewers.
Taos-puso po akong bumabate sa Generation RX. Akalain nyo, naka 5 taon na pala kayo. Pag ganun-ganun lang. Congratulations at sana abutin kayo ng 100 taon sa ere at mas marami pa kayong maibigay na impormasyon at tulong sa ating mga kababayan. Buhay kayo!
Okay, sa programang Generation RX, congratulations sa 5th anniversary ninyo. I'm sure marami kayong natutulungan, especially sa mga kapuspalad natin mga kababayan na walang mapupuntahang doktor dahil kapag magpunta ka lang sa clinic, babayad ka pa. Ito nasa telebisyon na. Maganda yung proyekto ninyo. Maraming salamat at congratulations.
Effective talaga. Kita mo naman. Mura lang. 250. Napaka-affordable.
I use KB as an antioxidant. It helps me a lot, especially in my line of work.
I use KB because it helps me become stress-free.
I love KB.
KB. White that works.
memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido ng mga lalaki.
Aste!
Available in Mercury Drug and all leading drugstores nationwide.
Full of surprises talaga ang Generation RX. Pati tayo sinusurprise ng ating staff.
Tama ka dyan, Cecil. I was really surprised with the interview, but I enjoyed the experience. How about you, Cecil? How was it like for you?
Well, it was a totally different experience for me, pero para lang tayo nakikipagkwentuhan sa ating televiewers.
Well, Cecil, hindi lang tayo ang maso-surprise.
Do you mean?
Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. You thought that I'd be weak without you, but I'm stronger. You thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought that I'd be sad without you, I laugh harder. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up.
Bilang director at production in charge ng Generation RX, trabaho ko po ang makipag-coordinate sa ating executive producer, sa marketing and creative consultant. Sa akin po nagmumula ang concept ng show, kung ano pong mga angulo ang kailangan ng ating mga cameraman, coordination with the scriptwriter, at syempre yung pagmamarket po ng show.
That was our brilliant Direct Jen. I've known her for many years. From the time that I knew her, she's really hands-on, especially with this show.
Siya ang reyna ng camera, acting mentor ng guest, and the way I've known her, hard-headed, patient, hardworking.
Sigurado rin naman ako na hindi lamang siya ang masusurpresa.
Napaka-fulfilling ng job because it's not just about writing, it's about informing people about what they need to do. If people understand your script, the spiel of your doctor, the flow of the story on your show, it's a good script. Expect Generation RX to be more comprehensive, to be more complete with details, so you better watch out for it.
As a video editor, kailangan mapaganda natin yung ating programa. Yung mga graphics na kakailangan kung saan pwede ma-attract natin yung mga manonood. Since health and travel show tayo ang nagbibigay ng impormasyon sa ating publiko at manonood regarding sa health issues ngayon.